Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna pie like Jollibee. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients for that signature savory filling. Then, I'll guide you through creating a perfectly crispy, golden brown crust that's just like the original. Finally, we'll cover the simple steps to assemble and fry your delicious homemade pies, ensuring a delightful treat every time. Get ready to enjoy a taste of your favorite fast food classic right in your own kitchen. The heart of our tuna pie is its rich and savory filling. Begin with 1 can of tuna in oil, ensuring it's thoroughly drained to avoid a watery pie. Sauté finely minced garlic and chopped onions until they become fragrant and translucent, building a flavorful base. Next, stir in about 1/2 cup of cream of mushroom soup, which provides that essential creamy texture. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Now, let's talk about that irresistible crust and how to put it all together. You can use a simple homemade pie dough or opt for convenience with store-bought pastry sheets. Roll out your chosen dough to a thickness of approximately 1/8 inch. Then, cut it into uniform 4-inch circles or rectangles, depending on your preferred pie shape. Place about 2 tablespoons of your delicious tuna filling onto 1/2 of each dough piece, leaving a small border for sealing. The final step is frying your pies to golden perfection. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan or pot over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place your assembled pies in batches, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Remove the pies and drain any excess oil on paper towels before serving them hot and fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.